How to fix YouTube strike notifications not clear. First, you want to simply open YouTube Studio on your website or on your browser, and once you're inside your browser, you want to tap on Continue to Studio to open your channel over here. That you want to simply zoom in on here, and you want to simply go to the channel content, the dashboard over here. If you have any kinds of copyright or community guideline notices, you'd be able to see those over here on the video details. After that, you want to simply open the notification for more details. If you want to see that over here, tap on notifications at the top of your screen, and you'll be able to see all kinds of notifications on the channel. If you have any kinds of issues with the channel like your strike, you'd be able to see that over here. After that, you want to simply follow the recommended actions or appeal process if that is available according to your copyright strike or your copyright claim. And if that doesn't work out, you want to simply contact the creator support if you are eligible and need additional help from the YouTube team. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.